Alright, so look, bro, we at the haircut spot. I know we rough. That's why it's called a transformation video. Stop judging. Nigga, I'm ready to get this haircut. I'm ready to go back home, like, take like a 30-minute nap, nigga, and I'll be straight. But if y'all haven't already, pause the video, bro. Pause the video, go down right now. Smash that like button for me right now. But we about to go in here and we about to get a haircut. This shit still don't make no difference. But I get off at 2, I go to sleep at like 5, bro.
What?
Cause you know when you get home, you can't go straight to sleep.
Cause you been up that whole long time.
So you be trying to perfect your like retwisting.
Well, cause I do my own hair. Like, so like unless like one of my niggas be like, Kevin, you can twist my hair, I'll twist it. But I don't usually offer it. But like this shorty, one of my exes, she used to do my hair, and like we started talking. So. You know, I'm thinking we cool or whatever, you know what I'm saying? Like, we still, it been like 2 years, bro. You know what I'm saying? She just went on a trip with me like 2 months ago, right?
Yeah.
So I'm thinking we still cool. Now, mind you, you got your prices, right? Now, when she first started, I supported her. Like, she'll charge me like $30 and I'll tip her like 50. You feel me? Like, I'm not no nigga that's gonna like do you like that. And she know that. I'm not like that. So now, all of a sudden, she got a clientele up and shit. So she not at no shop, right? So I'm like, yo. I said, I'm gonna retwist my hair, cause she know my retwist look like she did it. My shit look good as hell. I've been doing my hair for 7 years. So she like, I said, so how much you gonna charge me for the 2-string twist, like just to twist my hair? This bitch say the travel fee, $50. $50?
With
travel fee. Seriously? You gonna wanna eat, you gonna wanna chill, and you gonna charge me $50. Now at least charge me 30 so I can tip 50. And your facial hair is on.
Man, I was really thinking about keeping them like, nah.
Cause you think it's not connecting.
Nah, cause it's like, bro, if you keep it, it look like I got dreads, so it look like I ain't got no haircut anyways. So with the facial hair, it be like, you ain't got no haircut.
I ain't even think about that. I don't know. It depends. Next time you should just like keep a chin strap. Now they say get full.
I mean, nah, it ain't gonna never get full if I keep cutting it.
You don't know that.
Now if I keep cutting it, it ain't gonna never get full.
They say when you cut, actually keep cutting, that's why it's growing back thicker.
We're gonna talk more about it in the car, cause I know like the sun gonna fuck up my shit, so we're gonna talk more about it in the car. Got the fresh line up, you feel me? I ain't even checked it out myself. Now, you got to drink more water, my guy. We got to drink more water. We got to cut. We got to go home. We got to do part 2, man. So I can't talk. I'ma surprise y'all with the transformation. All right. This is gonna be a whole transformation. I appreciate y'all for sticking through the video. If you haven't already, one more time, man, hit that like button for me down below. Hit that subscribe button. Turn on post notifications, man. Let's go, bro. Let's go home and let's finish up this video. We back at the crib now. Yeah, yo, if you a loyal subscriber, yo, shout out to you, because you probably already seen like me getting my hair cut and stuff like that. But at the same time, y'all gotta understand, bro. That day, bro, we did a transformation video, right? So between that transformation video, I went to go get a haircut and I did a review on my 2-strand twist and all that type of stuff. So that's why y'all seeing like segments of the transformation video. But if you haven't already, make sure the video will pop up right here. But make sure you go watch that transformation video, and also link in the description. Make sure you go watch that transformation video, because like, yo, it's really fire, you know what I'm saying? It was a really lit vlog that whole day. Now, getting straight into the haircut. Now look, bro, one thing that I gotta talk to my barber about is like the little cedar hairline stuff. But y'all know the little spray, I don't know what you call that junk, bro, you know what I'm saying? But I don't really like it, bro, because the day that it lasts on there, like yo cut, you know what I'm saying, your hairline gonna be fresh as fuck the whole day, money. But as soon as you get home, or like 2 days later, cause it's like a day or 2 later. It's 2 days later. 2 days later, I got my haircut on Friday. It's Sunday. It's 2 days later. You know what I'm saying? And so like the little fiber stuff they're gone. They're gone. Especially if you take a shower, if you wash your face, they're gone. You know what I'm saying? But other than that, bro, y'all know the usual, man. The drop fade all around. You dig what I'm saying? We also and yeah, like a lot of people like, oh, like 2-strand twist. We took the 2-strand twist out. That's why you seeing like my hair looking curly. We also made a video on that too. That's That's the video before this. So if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, and also go check out my other videos. You feel me? Because y'all are missing a lot. Y'all are missing everything. You feel me? And I know I'm building a new fan base. You feel what I'm saying? Because of my consistency and like the people that's been subscribed to me, like some of them are being loyal, but it's all good. You know what I'm saying? Because at the end of the day, bro, everything is my fault. You dig what I'm saying? I'm not being sarcastic or nothing. Because you got to understand, bro. I'm the leader of this YouTube channel, right? And if I don't continue to put out content, like y'all niggas, you know what I'm saying? So like, y'all niggas not gonna be loyal to a nigga who that's like your favorite rapper not putting out any rap music. You know what I'm saying? You're gonna start listening to somebody else. So I take full responsibility of this, and we just gonna continue. Like the people that support me now, that you've been subscribed, I appreciate you. To the new people, make sure that like button, hit that subscribe button, and turn on post notifications and never miss a video. Alright, and I appreciate y'all too, bro. But it's a whole grind, you know what I'm saying? I understand the concept of YouTube. I understand I'm probably gonna have to go months of grinding, you know what I'm saying, to get to the position where I'm trying to get to. You feel me? And I'm okay with that. You know, I've been doing this YouTube jump. You know what I'm saying? I know one dude, he hit me up yesterday. He was like, yo, like, I remember you from 2K16. And like, yeah, bro, like, I mean, I wasn't taking it serious, but I mean, I used to upload clips of dribbles and dunks. You know what I'm saying? Like, y'all know that, bro. You're like from your phone or from the PlayStation 4, some stuff like that, bro. Y'all know how it used to be, bro. You feel me? But I got a fade all the way around, you know what I'm saying? I wouldn't really call my dreads high top. I wouldn't really call it high top, bro. But yeah, I did cut my back off. So I don't know if you would call that a high top or I don't think I got a high top, you feel me? But I did cut my back off though. And another thing is I will be wearing my hair in a hairstyle, either like probably a ponytail with a rubber band, bro, because I don't like this. Like I tell y'all this, like I told y'all the video before this, bro. I don't like when my hair be in my face and stuff like that. So yeah, that's that. But man, I'm just brushing my sides really right now. You feel me? Because like I said, yeah, like the fiber and stuff like that, like that's gone. You dig? So, but next time I get a haircut, I'm going to make sure, forehead on 20,000. I'm going to make sure I don't get no fiber, you know what I'm saying? I want to keep the forehead, the tape line, I want to keep it crispy and natural. You dig what I'm saying? So I can actually see my tape line. But y'all know how often we get a haircut, bro. We get a haircut like every 3-4 weeks, bro. No cap. Y'all know how we rock. But if I do get it, once I do get a haircut, y'all know it's gonna be another vlog. You know what I'm saying? But hey man, it's been that light haircut vlog. You dig what I'm saying? We started out at the crib, went to go get a haircut, and now we back at the crib. You know what I'm saying? Brushing the hair. Obviously, like I just told y'all, we just took the 2-strand twist out like a day ago. Go watch that. You feel me? But yeah, man, nothing to it. I know a lot of y'all be asking me about like what type of hairstyle I got, like, you know what I'm saying? So I make sure I keep updating y'all, and I'm making daily uploads for y'all at the same time, you know what I'm saying? So much more. Hey, I'm going to be making different videos for y'all like very soon. You dig what I'm saying? I'm gonna be very creative with this. It's not just gonna be hair reviews, this and that third. It's gonna be hair vlogs. It's gonna be hair skits. It's gonna be everything. You dig what I'm saying? We're gonna take this to a whole nother level. Like, I know it's like a whole bunch of hair review channels and stuff like that, but I'm gonna make my own lane. You dig what I'm saying? So just remember me saying this, y'all. So you know what I'm saying? So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, turn on post notifications, because y'all not gonna want to miss this. I promise you, daily uploads every single day, man. I'm really trying to grind so hard that I make double. I'm trying to double upload. You know what I'm saying? So. But it is what it is at the end of the day. Catch y'all folks later, bro. I appreciate y'all supporting me. Peace.